Good morning and welcome back to your favorite travel channel, Travel People Food. So, continuing from our first episode from the Goa series, we are out and about to experience the northern side of Goa in this episode. Unlike the most popular opinion that the northern side of Goa is only for partying, let me show you this side of extreme north, which is uniquely beautiful in its own way. So today it is our day 3 and we have left from South Goa, and right now we are moving towards the northern side, and we took a pit stop today in the central part, which is Panjim, the capital of Goa. And the moment we entered Panjim, हमें ये बहुत ही beautiful सा church दिख गया था. So we thought, why not just come over and go inside. But unfortunately it is not accessible for people at the moment. So let's see, we are going to explore the remaining parts of Panjim and I'll take you around. This time around, we are going to be exploring the rich heritage and culture of Goa and unravel it beyond beaches. So we are in the most colorful streets of Panjim, that is the Fountain House as most of us know it today. And we are out here to have the local Goan cuisine at a very famous restaurant called Viva Panjim. And it's one of the top rated restaurants out here, and you get amazing local Goan cuisine out here. So come, let's see, I'm going to take you guys along. We are gonna try the local Goan cuisine. This is the vegetable shakuti. This is the chicken shakuti, and it's best consumed with the paos, with the local Goan paos out here. So we are gonna try it out, and yes, we'll let you guys know how it is. Now, while we were on our way from South Goa to the northern side of Goa, we thought, why not take a quick pit stop at Panjim, which is located on the banks of the Mandvi River. And this city has such a colorful vibe to itself. It reflects the Portuguese colonial era. Just imagine you are living in one of these colorful houses. कितना प्यारा सा सीन है ना? And imagine, it is right in the middle of the main city, the capital city of Goa. एक तरफ है casino bars and एक तरफ है इतनी quaint little घर. और हाँ, आप ये पूरा एरिया पैदल ही चल सकते हो, और अगर चल कर आप थक जाओ तो वरी नॉट, यहाँ पर बैठकर चिल करने के लिए भी काफ़ी सारे कैफ़े ऑप्शंस आपको मिल जाएंगे. But walking on these colonial streets was just so amazing. You know, it just took me to the movie जोश, जो शाहरुख खान एंड ऐश्वर्या राय की आई थी. आई मीन, उसमें जिस तरह का मैंने पिक्चरों में गोवा देखा था, मुझे बिल्कुल वैसा ही देखने मिला. एकदम वो बड़े बड़े से घर, इतने कलरफुल से दीवारें. इट वॉज जस्ट ब्यूटिफुल. ट्रस्ट मी, आप लोग ये यहाँ पर वॉक करना जरा सा भी रिग्रेट नहीं करोगे. आई प्रॉमिस. So we are in the Fountain House area of Panjim. Now Fountain House in Portuguese means a small fountain, and यहाँ पर पहले के ज़माने में, in the older centuries, there used to be fountains which were placed, and that's how the name of this place was Fountain House. And out here you will find the most iconic colorful buildings of Goa, like, you know, the Goa as we know of, all full of colors and all. That's the right kind of vibe that you will get here. And there are lots of cafes and good, very good Goan cuisine restaurants. So in case if you want to come, and you can easily spend a day out here. So yes, if you are ever coming to Panjim, then definitely do give Fountain House Village a visit and try to explore it on your foot. It will hardly take you some time. और नए दिन के साथ साथ अब बारी थी गोवा के नॉर्दर्न साइड के बीचेस को थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लोर करने की। तो हम चले गए इस नए से बीच पर, विच इज कॉल्ड द अरम्बोल बीच। और हमेशा की ही तरह यहाँ पर पहुंचकर भी मेरे मन में एक और मस्त सा ख्याल आया कि एक चीज़ तो पक्की है, लाइफ के ये जो छोटे बड़े चैलेंजेस हैं ना, ये तो कहीं भी नहीं जाने वाले। ये बस इन लहरों की तरह है, एक जाएगा तो दूसरा आएगा, एक जाएगा तो दूसरा आएगा, एंड इट विल कीप ऑन कंटिन्यूइंग। तो इनको मैनेज करते हैं और फोकस हैप्पीनेस पर करते हैं, क्योंकि यार मुझे ना लाइफ में रिग्रेट नहीं चाहिए कि छोटी सी ज़िंदगी थी और मैंने करूँ ना करूँ यही सोच सोच कर गुजार दी। मुझे लाइफ में वाइब चाहिए, जीनी है मुझे ज़िंदगी अपनी तरह से, अपनी शर्तों पर, हर लम्हे को जी भर के, ताकि कल को जब पलट के पीछे देखूं तो कहूं, वाह यार ज़िंदगी तो खूब जी है तूने, जी भर के। हर किसी को लगता है कि उन्हें एक सही मोमेंट का इंतज़ार करने की ज़रूरत है, पर एक सीक्रेट बताऊं, द राइट मोमेंट इज़ व्हेन यू चूज टू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए बस शुरू हो जाओ। After exploring the southern side of Goa, we are about to explore the northern side. Now today we started off from the extreme northernmost side, and we are at this very beautiful beach called the Arambol beach. Now this beach not only has blue waters, but it is also surrounded by these stunning rock formations towards one end, and is very well connected to the Sweetwater Lake. Now, never have I imagined that the ocean water would be connected to a Sweetwater Lake out here in Goa. And yeah, that is kind of the specialty of this place, because I don't think so anywhere else in Goa you could find that. And another thing is, it's very well connected to the other beaches also, like Ashwin, Mojim, Mandram, which are all towards the extreme north. So you can very well plan your day accordingly and explore these beautiful places. It has also got one of the bestest cafes out here. The cafe culture, the hippie culture out here is quite popular because most of the foreigners come here. A lot of Indians, they are towards a little central and north or southern side. So yeah, these are still very unexplored beaches. And yes, if you guys plan to come, do come here and explore this side as well. Goa is not only about partying. एंड दैट्स इट, दैट्स द एंड ऑफ दिस एपिसोड। और मैं अगले एपिसोड में मिलूंगी एक और नई जगह के साथ, गोवा के कुछ और बीचेस और कुछ और प्लेसेस को एक्सप्लोर करते हुए। सो तब तक के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड आई विल सी यू सून। ओके, बाय बाय। यू नो व्हाट टू डू ऑलरेडी। Subscribe, like, share, comment, do everything that you can.